Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these layers. They're just some soft layers. I didn't do too much. I started from my chin down, and yeah. To start off, I'm just going to be combing my hair through. This is a heat protecting comb. You can find it at your local beauty supply. I believe I paid $2.99 for this one. And I'm just gonna be spraying my hair with some BTZ spray. I got this one on Amazon, but I believe you can get it from your beauty supply or Sally's. I will leave the link down below in the description box. I'm just gonna be sectioning off my hair, flat ironing it. My hair was already straight, but I wanted it bone straight because I did the install the day before, but since I was doing the layers, I wanted it like bone straight. It had some waves in it, and I didn't like that, so that's why I'm doing it over. I'm just gonna flat iron it section by section. So since this video is pre-recorded, I'm not too sure what I did in the video because this is like days late. Sometimes I record for TikTok and YouTube at the same time. So if I flat iron one side, it's most likely that I recorded for TikTok and YouTube. So just in case you guys see me flat ironing one side and not the other, this is what happened. Before you start cutting, you want to make sure that your hair is straight. And I'm just going to be cutting at an angle and cutting straight down, if that makes any sense. And the scissors that I'm using is Diane, I believe. It's either Diane or Annie, and it's from the beauty supply. I believe I paid like $6.99. Just pay attention to what I'm doing, but I'm just cutting straight down. The ends of my hair was not in the camera and I didn't notice that, but I just kept on cutting until I was satisfied. And if you want, you can flat iron your hair to see where you're at. There's also a different way to cut your hair for the layers, but I didn't show it in this video. I'll show you guys in a different video. That makes it much easier than this one. By the way, this is an old wig. If you want to practice on an old wig. This is when I flat iron my hair to see the results. You guys can do this way sooner. I'm just so used to cutting my hair, so I know what it looks like when it's straight. But you can do the little curve in the end like I'm doing here to see the feathered effect. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.